guys, so this is a gift from my mom, and it's a surprise, and it's a Mother's Day gift for us.
Alam niyo na ba kung ano yung nasa loob?
No.
No.
So, it's a surprise, ha? So, it's your turn to open? To use the scissor? O, ikaw naman, Moss? O,
We received this package like almost an hour ago, and our mom gave it was for Mother's Day. To appreciate what we have done for the past few years.
so kumbaga talagang inaalagaan niyo si Mama.
Yeah, and I also gave her a Mother's Day gift.
Ano ba binigay mo kay Mama?
I gave her a speaker.
Sige. O, tingnan niyo. O, ano ba yan?
So these are slippers. Can I have this?
I'm stuck.
Okay, this is mine. And then there's a kickboard for Gia. And then what's this? I'll open it.
Duffel bag.
A duffel bag. What's a duffel bag?
Oh, this is a duffel bag.
Para sa swimming. Ano yung kulay pula na yun, Moss? Kaninong kickboard ba yan?
Kickboard. Palma bought it for me. So I already have it.
Open the plastic. Sige na.
Here.
Yung slipper, kanino yan?
Wait, Ma? Is this for me? Okay. This is for me, okay?
It's not confirmed.
And then this is for you.
Kasi mahilig si Moss sa white, eh.
And this was the way to wear them down.
Anong sasabihin nyo kay Mama? Ikaw muna, Sam.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome. Just enjoy it. Be a good swimmer.
Moss.
Be a forma.
What will you say for Mama?
You all want to wear it now.
Thank you, Ma, for giving us.
Yes, you deserve it. You're a good boy. You're always taking care of me.
Matt's a bit tight.
Okay, lalaki anak niya like this.
Okay, thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
It's so tight.